Good morning. Today I'm going to explain to you why stress makes diabetes worse. Yes, did you know that stress can raise your blood sugar more than your food? When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. The stress hormone cortisol tells your liver to release more sugar into your blood for fight or flight. But in today's life, we aren't fighting figures. You are just sitting in traffic or meetings, and this stress still spikes sugar. That's why managing stress is as important as managing food. Join Eat to Live community to know more about how to reduce or convert your stress hormones, cortisol and adrenaline into four happy hormones and reduce your insulin resistance and reverse your type 2 diabetes.